What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on NY's activity, the NY couple celebrate their 12th anniversary. On Instagram post, Roses Spearban posted on Instagram their sweet photo with her boyfriend Ade. Roses Spearban looks so beautiful wearing her beautiful dress. And it was like a honeymoon in advance after the MK's wedding. And the fans commented to the post and happy that they were so excited next year, looking forward after this year happened for the MK's wedding. Guessing next year will be so exciting for the NY couple as they were looking forward as a husband and wife.